Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. So let's tap on it. Then we have to tap on the More status and localize the build number, which is right above, not right above, but at the bottom of the list. So all we have to do right now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can freely go back to this general list and enter the system, and here tap on developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can enable the strict mode. Here we can show view updates, manage the display cutout, show layout bounds. Here we've got some options connected with the Bluetooth, basically overall the networking. So this is how it works, and of course all you have to do to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the list. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again and just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.